Do you want this year to be a repeat of last year? I've been thinking about how come some people can take action and some people never seem to accomplish much of anything. You know people like that, right? You sure do. Seems some people talk about their dreams, all of their ambitions, their plans, but they never actually get around to doing anything. Are you letting the busy, crazy world dictate how you live your life?
Live happy, fun-loving, and carefree.
Who do you know that talks about their dreams and never gets around to achieving their goals, their desires, their dreams? Why? Why are so many people all talk and no action? The thing is, life's actually pretty simple when you think about it. At least it should be. From the simplest bacteria to us far too complicated humans, all you really have to do is stay alive. Seriously. You wake up in the morning, you get out of your bed, and hey, your goal is to stay alive all day until you can crawl back into your bed at night and go back to sleep. I mean, seriously, that's pretty much it. Yes, we need food and water. Yep, we need shelter and we need some clothes. We need to rest, sleep, and of course, we need to reproduce to carry on the species. Nothing else is a need. You eat when you're hungry, you sleep when you get tired, and you reproduce frequently, hopefully. So what happened? What went wrong with the world? In our modern, civilized, complicated world, our lives are filled up with meaningless decisions. Today, if you're hungry, do you eat at McDonald's or do you go to Burger King? Hey, maybe you should eat at Subway today. Should I be mowing the lawn today or should I wait until tomorrow? Television, holy moly, moly. Television, what a huge waste of time. Are you watching Fox or CNN or MSNBC? And now we have time wasters like TikTok and Snapchat. We don't even stand a chance, do we? The world's in crisis with a lot of crazy things going on. Yep, a lot of people are getting hurt because they're living a normal life in the normal world. But things like people losing their jobs and their homes, you know, it's happening most everywhere. But guess what? Yep, guess what? A lot of people are also living the life of their dreams because they made the choice to take control of their life. Lots of people are happy. So, which person are you gonna be? Are you letting circumstances in a busy, crazy, goofy world dictate how you live your life? I hope not. It's easy to let outside influences drive us away from our goals. We all convince ourselves that, hey, we're doing fine. After all, we're busy. Things aren't really that bad, are they? Are they? The thing is, most people don't like change, and you need to become a bit uncomfortable to accomplish your goal of living a happy, self-sufficient life. People will remain the same until the pain of staying the same exceeds the pain of changing. It's true. No matter how hard you try, you cannot avoid pain. Stuff happens in this world. You and I cannot stop unplanned events from happening. I can't change the direction of the wind, like the one that's blowing here today, but I can adjust my sails to reach my destination. Steer your life to where you want to be. Spend your time on the things that you can change, and don't be wasting your time or energy worrying about all those things that are way out of your control. We cannot change the world economics any more than we can change the direction of the wind. All we can do is adjust our lives and deal with what's going on all around us. We can always get to where we want to be going, but we must be willing to change our direction and take a different course to get there. So, how do you prevent this year from being a repeat of last year? You're going to have to suck it up, Buttercup. Look at where you are right now in your life. Take responsibility for your current situation. Easier said than done. You must know where you want to go and set a course to get there. Create a list of goals, make some plans, and figure it out. Do what it takes to get there. Achievers focus on results, and underachievers focus on the obstacles. You are what you see and you hear. So spend your time seeing and hearing things that move you closer to your goals. Don't simply accept your life as it unfolds. Steer your life to where you want to be. So, how can you live a self-sufficient, all you have to do is stay alive, simple life in the modern, civilized, complicated world that we all live in that are filled with all these meaningless decisions? Simplify your life by focusing on what's important. If it's necessary to staying alive, then deal with it right now. And if it's not, hey, don't be worrying about it. Think back through your life. High school, dating, your jobs, cars, bills, marriage, children, pets, aging parents, whatever. We've all been in difficult, often impossible situations. Hey, somehow we survive. And hopefully we're all stronger because of all those things that we've been through. The important decisions are easy because they aren't really decisions at all. Unimportant decisions waste our time, and the outcome is really of no consequence. Do not get distracted by all of the mindless busyness of this complicated, crazy world, and focus on the things that must be done. Most people will be angry when you say that their father was dishonest, but hey, they're gonna brag a little when they discover that their great-grandfather was a pirate. So, make your great-grandchildren proud. Do what must be done to live a happy, in-the-country, self-sufficient life. Being happy, being fun-loving, and being carefree.